Going to get spooled. It's a manatee. We're gonna have manatee. No.
It's just a dolphin.
So can you get this for me? There's probably gonna be a lot of stuff in the way. It just click that, push that, yeah. Set it up by the table up there.
What do you think it is?
For a shark.
Shark?
Yeah. Probably a bull. I've caught a couple bulls, caught a 6-footer and a 7-footer. Looks like it's got some weight to it. I think my reel is not sounding very good. Yeah, he took a lot of line.
He's gonna tie her up though. That sound is because the screws get loose on the side panel.
Tell me about it, man. This is my third one. I had a 6-footer, a 7-footer, now whatever this is.
You ran out some line.
Yeah, you did.
You haven't jumped or anything?
No. I see him right there.
Yeah. He's big.
Might be a big black tip.
5, 6 feet. He's coming back this way.
Hey, clear some road. You can take that one out if you don't mind. That one's mine. Clear all mine out at least. You have cutters?
Huh?
You have cutters?
Am I gonna bring him in?
Oh, maybe. You're
A
loud.
leader on it. I'll grab that.
Yeah, I've got gloves.
Let me try to gaff.
I have a pair of,
You want me to gaff it?
you got a new one, didn't you?
Huh?
Put that new gaff to work?
No, the one. Yeah,
One in the hut.
Something happened to my reel.
She's grinding.
I know. Not sounding good.
No.
It's the third shark I caught here in 2 weeks. The other 6-foot bull and a 7-foot bull on this thing.
Don't fight. Good fight. Come this way.
I got gloves in the side of my bag.
Where's it going?
I get that big one out. Yeah, appreciate that.
I see leader.
Leader, what is it? Oh, big.
A little.
Let me get over real quick, man. Let me get over. Not that.
Yeah.
Baby.
Took off like a mother, didn't it? Took off like a rocket.
Big black tip.
Yeah, black tip.
Yep.
That's good food for somebody.
Come closer.
Big black tip. See if he could eat mine.
Hold on a second. Got it right side. Oh, got my line. That's not good. I thought it was a lot bigger than that, man.
Once you get close, I'll drop this thing.
Whoa!
Don't get close when he brings that up.
Whoa!
Hold on, I'll turn him around.
Yep.
Drop it down. I don't want to horse it too much. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You're wrapped up now.
Here, walk back.